Right. Number 14 from number 13, number 13 being slaves and prisoners. By the way, guys, because these guys, they are a problem, really too much of a problem. Those guys that were arrested and they came out, whether their records expired or not, they have to go back into prison because you already have them in the military database there, that those guys there, because their images and all those things are there. That is why, because of them, guns and knives, they have to be taken out from the communities and be left with the militaries only, which is the reason why the angels got saved, because of those guns and knives. When they took them out because we were staying in the forest there. Otherwise, those stars explain them there in the book of our Bagwede. So now, what is happening there is that guns and knives have to be made oval, and then guns, they actually have to be taken out. Along with the bombs and all those other stuff, because of those things there is that like this, it is this thing that G-Force and all those other stuff that were being robbed, along with those of kidnapping, asking for pounds of gold and all those stuff, they will be stopped all around here. And so that one, it is a business that when it is like this, those savings that were there, they'll come out something like maybe every year or every month, making sure that when they are remaining like that, it is a business, knowing that none will ever be hijacked or anything that deals with crime. And then number 15, we have Lotto and Powerball replaced. Lotto and Powerball replaced, it is for racing and fighting. So for racing and fighting, it is this thing that we are already aware that under racing we have 50 cars, and then a bonus ball is the first car, having lunchtime, tea time, 2 numbers, 3 numbers, those kinds of things around it there. And then they'll do their stars as they do their stars, but Lotto will be branching me there, and then me, that thing is mine, 100% owned by me. And then we'll be having also fighters. So their fighters, they're actually going to be 50, 50 or 100 of them. And then that stage will be bigger like a soccer stadium, knowing that number 1 is a bonus ball, and then the way it will happen like that. Otherwise, that one of racing, they can mix it with street racings in the TVs there, like Fast and the Furious there and all those stuff. So street racing, it will be allowed now. Even those roads, they'll be extended now into like times 10, like those ones of freeways, or times 20, made even wider. Great. And then that is how it is going to be. Racing with different vehicles, cars, bikes, you can name it, same as you see in the Fast and the Furious. Otherwise, that is how those teams will be there. And so now we have also number 16, because that one is 15, and then number 16, it is labels. I'll be having labels under King Law. So King Law is this thing that you'll be seeing, a crown of King Law in your labels there, in your clothing there. The design, I'll get the designers. You'll help me find the designers that will actually be designing those things there, and then the rest will just follow along there. And so now sometimes it will be a logo, and sometimes with the name mixed together there. Otherwise, that is how labels are done, even for Queen Laws. Otherwise, great. And so we'll be having because that one is number 16. Now number 17. Number 17, we have King Law's deserts. Deserts, they'll no longer be deserts, because of some of them will leave them for sports entertainment, maybe 4x4s, 4 videos, however you can name it. But deserts, when they're taken out now, and they're also playing the role of Father Moses there, it is this thing that the deserts, we are going to actually create more dams there, knowing that nature will grow with rain, because it is always hot there. Otherwise, that is how it is going to happen there. And then because of my entrepreneurial skill, bought life in the desert there, I'll also be owning the deserts as well, since I would have owned everything there. And then I'll be deciding how people will stay, but not all the deserts have to be taken out, because it's nice to have deserts there. Otherwise, after a couple of months or a couple of years, it will rain, but it won't take that long. And even dams, they are easily created, because those things, it is a matter of government stuffs. Otherwise, great. Cheers.